going to speak about Kamarajar. Born on 15 July 3 in Tamil Nadu. His parents were Kumarasamy Nadar and Sivagami Ammal. Kamarajar served as the third Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. From 1954 to 1963, Kamarajar opened many schools, dam and free education. He introduced free educational free midday meal schemes in all government schools. He is also called as government was now at the golden period of Tamil. Kamarajar died 2nd October 1975 in Chennai. Thank you.